Welcome to the Fair Housing Training video. KMG Prestige wishes that every team member in contact with residents or prospective residents take an online training course through eTrain. eTrain is an online training through Fair Housing Solutions. The online interactive sessions are fast and convenient. Upon your successful completion of the online course, you will receive a certificate of completion, as well as a lapel pin. Here is a short demo of what to expect with learning through eTrain.
Welcome to Fair Housing 101, Module 1, Introduction to Federal Fair Housing Laws. My name is Scott Moore.
When you hear this noise, this means it's time to move to the next page. Simply click the button labeled Next, located on the bottom right portion of the screen. You may move back or replay the screen at any time during the training.
The Fair Housing Act prohibits
The bar, which spans across the lower center of the screen, shows your progress through the session. Throughout your sessions, you will be prompted with short quizzes. Each quiz is interactive, so you may click on the bubble of the answer you believe is correct and then click Submit. Right or wrong, the answer will be explained on the following page.
The best answer is C, marital status. The Fair Housing Act prohibits discrimination.
So, now that you have a general idea of how the training process is, let's go through the registration process. The email that you received from Jeff Schaefer contains a link for the registration page. The email also contains a coupon code that you will use for registration. Here is an example of using the link and coupon code. Once the page loads, you will see the registration form. Make sure to click the checkbox for Fair Housing 101. Please use your KMG login for your user ID, since it will easily be remembered. However, you cannot use a period within the eTrain ID, so merely omit the. For example, John.Smith for a KMG login will be John Smith, as one word, for the eTrain login. Please remember to type KMG Prestige in the company name area. Also, type in your property information here. Here is where you will place your coupon code number. Click Continue once the form is complete. You will then instantly receive an email from eTrain. The email will include a link to the site that you will need to visit in order to begin the training, as well as your username and password. Click the link to visit the site. On the left column, you will need to enter your username and password from the email, which is the same username and password you set up during registration. You will then be logged into your own personal student page. Team members will not need to use any of the options under the Tools menu in the left column, so we won't go over any of these items. So, let's just get started by clicking on Lessons above the Tools option in the left column. Then click My Lessons. You will now see all of the Fair Housing 101 sessions, or modules, that you must complete in order to take the final test and pass the course. Let's start with the introductory module. Click on the text, Fair Housing 101 Welcome and Introduction. Then click on the Fair Housing 101 Welcome module inside of the material area. You are then directed to the module. To advance through the slides, click the Next button at the bottom right, just like the demo we viewed earlier. Within the introductory module, there is a link which provides you the desk reference, which you will need to click and print off. Click on the underlined desk reference text on slide 5 of the introduction module. A 20-page PDF will then open, so you may have it printed. The desk reference will be used to take notes throughout the modules, and to be used as a future reference for your convenience. If you have troubles finding this link, you may also go to My Lessons. Click on the Fair Housing Module 1 and click the file under the Shared Files on the upper right portion of your screen. The file name is FH101 Desk Reference.pdf. At the end of every module, you will be asked to please click here to complete this lesson. Once you click this button, you may either log out and continue some other time, or you may click Change Lesson on the left column under the module toolbar. After the 6 modules are completed, you will then take a test, which consists of 50 questions, including true-false, yes-no, and multiple choice. You must pass the test with 80% or greater, in order to receive credit for the training. Please note, you will be allowed to retake the test if you did not score at least 80%. Answers and explanations will follow the test's completion. Once you have passed the course, you will be mailed your certificate and lapel pin, and also earn credit for taking this course through the Prestige database. If you have any questions, please send an email to Joshua Sesink in the training department. Thank you for watching.